G'day guys, here's a quick video for you. So quarter pounders, haven't made these in years, but it's so easy, right? So just get your mince from the pack, season it with salt and pepper, just no egg, no breadcrumbs, just roll it into a ball and it'll set, and squish it down a bit when you cook it with this. And I'll put this here so I don't forget, lots of salt and pepper. With the onions, when you cut the onion, just slice slices off it and squash it under cold water with your hand, so you're killing the onion, right? So this onion is actually not that onion. It's been run under water and then chopped up, so it's been killed. And American mustard, tomato sauce. I've baked the cheese into the bread. Ideally, you'd use those crappy slices. So I put so much cheese on these rolls, but you actually can't see them because they're under the sauce. And there you go, you're done. And these aren't the right rolls, eh? There we go, stuff fixing cars. That's for the kids. They're half asleep, but yeah, when they get up, they can have that. Hope that helps. See.